Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Spiral Galaxy NGC 1512, Wide Field. So, what do we see here? Well, this is an example of a spiral galaxy, but more unusual, it's what is known as a ring galaxy. Now, most galaxies don't have rings, and this one has more than just an individual ring, actually 3 rings. And the innermost one, very hard to see way down toward the core there, is what is known as the nuclear ring down toward the center. Further out, a little easier to see, just coming off the ends of the bar there, that central circle is a second ring known as the inner ring. So even though there's an innermost ring, that is called the inner ring of these two. And then further out, we see remnants of another ring out there. So, very different rings associated with how this galaxy has formed. So it tells us something about this galaxy and how it may have formed differently than a lot of others. Now, many times when we look at galaxies and we see something unusual, we often associate it with gravitational interactions with another galaxy. That's not what we think is the case here. It's a process that is known as secular evolution within galaxies. And it's the own asymmetries within the galaxy that could be causing this. So that's our current best model to be able to explain how this occurs. So that's why maybe some galaxies happen to get rings in them, but they tend to be a relatively rare thing. Now, the rings here do show signs of star formation, especially the inner ring and the outer ring. We can see distinct blue color associated with hot stars that are forming there, and the pink glow of hydrogen gas. So while they're not exactly spiral arms, they're very similar to spiral arms in many ways in that they are regions of star formation. Now, in this case, this is actually a barred galaxy, and we can see the bar going through the center there from bottom to top, kind of ending at that inner ring. So is there some relationship between them? And that is a good question that we strive to understand. And one of the best ways to understand galaxies like this is to find as many as you can and study them statistically to learn the general properties of this type of galaxy, which can help in future understanding of how these galaxies work, but not only that, but how galaxies as a whole work. So we know that they're groupings and clusters of stars, gas, and dust, but they evolve in time in different ways. Others through massive collisions that occur. So there's some combination there, and at certain stages they may give off various different appearances. In this case, this one giving us the rings that we're looking at in NGC 1512. So that was our picture of the day, titled Spiral Galaxy NGC 1512 Wide Field. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.